It's built by Ford, and it goes like...
This is the story of the Ford Capri. It's an icon of the past.
Capri has always been a winner.
And redreamed to bring the Ford Capri back in a new electric era.
The Capri has been such a success.
This hit the road in 1969.
At the time, it was the sports car for the family.
A car you always promised yourself. The Ford Capri.
And we wanted to bring this sort of spice into the next generation. So the next electric car for Ford should stand for excitement.
And stand for something that only Ford can stand for.
Bringing back the name Capri was not easy. I think we all had some doubts.
We were aware of the challenges ahead.
To reinterpret the original Capri in such a new way.
You know, you're working with this like precious nameplate, the Capri.
You have such a big fan base, so you don't want to disappoint anyone.
Yeah, sure. There's always a bit of tension, like, okay, are we able to truly deliver? But I think we did.
And now, even better looking than ever.
If the Capri would have continued after '86, when the last Capri rolled off the assembly line, and every 10 years we would have redesigned the car, evolving, deep diving into the 90s, what happened in the 2000s when the SUVs came up? It's a very fun and at the same time very logical story of why the Capri looks the way it does right now.
From the beginning, it was clear that we will use yellow as the launch color. We mixed up the color palettes and the pigments and then tried to formulate a new, exciting way of illustrating this Daytona yellow.
For me, there was just so much inspiration. It's very simple, it's very pared back, but the quality of the design and the finish, it really has been perfected.
I remember quite well the first moment when the car starts to come together.
It's not every day that you have the chance to redesign an icon.
But the first time you see that car, we were like, oh, we got the spirit of that car. It's in front of us. It's just gorgeous.
We are celebrating the past, reinventing the future, to bring the Ford Capri back in a new electric era. Here it is, our all-new electric Ford Capri. We've taken the icon that brought rebellious American spirit to a whole new generation of drivers, and we've rewired it for an electric age. Our design mission was to capture the essence of the original Capri and rewire it for today's context. I think we've nailed it. The coupe-like roofline and the black window pillars are making it feel more like a sports car for the family. The four signature headlamps connected by a coast-to-coast black graphic are another Capri signature reinvented. We've made the lamps going into the 21st century using dynamic LED technology. Through this, the character of the front end has a friendly but assertive personality. It's the same at the rear, a totally modern take on the original Capri design. There's character and heritage in this 4-piece tail lamp and black full-width graphic. The Capri is about confidence and making a statement with vivid yellow and 19, 20 or 21 alloys like these ones, which are definitely going to get noticed. Inside, I think this is exactly how an original Capri driver would have expected the future to feel. Sculpted, massaging sports seat surrounded by a wraparound design with high-quality materials. A digital instrument cluster, a fighter jet-style head-up display, and at the center, a 15-inch touchscreen.
And now let me tell you about a real highlight of the vehicle on the interior. When you open up the armrest, you find space of more than 17 liters underneath.
It easily holds 3 1.5 liter bottles. There is no other word for the boot. It's massive. It hosts 560 liters of space, enough for a very nice family getaway. The Capri is packed with a boatload of really exciting technologies that help the entire family. For example, the soundbar on top of the instrument cluster. It comes from B&O and is part of a 10-way sound system that gives you really premium, enjoyable music. The Capri is not just about great design. We have up to 340 PS that help to accelerate in just over 5 seconds from 0 to 100 kph. The sleek and soulful body doesn't just look sporty, it's also great for aerodynamics. That helps drive up to 627 kilometers on a single charge of the extended range rear-wheel drive model.
That's our all-new electric Ford Capri. Audacious design meets practical innovation, celebrating our past while reinventing our future. A car that only Ford could build. The legend is back.